Roborock's latest innovation comes in the form of two cutting-edge robotic vacuums, the QRevo Edge and QRevo Slim. These next-generation cleaners represent a significant leap forward in automated home maintenance technology. Though sharing a sophisticated aesthetic, each model offers distinct capabilities tailored to specific cleaning scenarios. From managing deep pile carpeting to navigating confined spaces beneath furniture, both units showcase advanced features that set new industry standards. This comparison will guide you through their unique attributes to determine which vacuum aligns best with your household's particular cleaning requirements. Let's start with size. The QRevo Slim is a low-profile ninja standing at just 8.2 centimeters tall. That makes it ideal for squeezing under sofas and low furniture where traditional vacuums wouldn't even stand a chance. It also uses the Starsight autonomous system, combining dual light 3D TT and a camera to navigate around 73 different obstacles, even pets. If you've got a cat that likes to wander in front of your cleaner, the Slim will pause, adjust, and avoid it gracefully. Meanwhile, the QRevo Edge brings a more rugged approach with LDS laser navigation. It's designed to navigate larger, more complex spaces, making it a solid option if you have multi-level homes or larger areas to cover. While the Slim aims for precision in tight spaces, the Edge is all about conquering obstacles, climbing over thresholds up to 4 centimeters with ease thanks to its Adapt Lift chassis. Now, if raw cleaning power is your top priority, the Edge delivers a knockout. This thing packs 18,500 pascal of suction power. To put that into perspective, it's like a mini tornado specifically designed to pull dirt and pet hair out of carpets. If you've got a lot of rugs or thick carpets, the Edge's dual anti-tangle brushes ensure hair won't clog up the works, making maintenance easier too. On the other hand, the QRevo Slim isn't exactly slouching with 11,000 pascal of suction. It's perfectly capable of handling hard floors and lighter carpets, but it's definitely more about agility than brute force. If your space is mostly hardwood or tile, the Slim's power will be more than enough. Both models come with dual rotating mopping pads which can swing out to reach baseboards and tight corners. A nice touch if you're someone who hates dust building up along edges. When these vacuums detect carpets, they automatically lift their mops to avoid soaking them. The Edge takes it a step further with the Adapt Lift system, raising not only its mop, but also the whole chassis by 10 millimeters. That's a big plus if you have lots of rugs or uneven surfaces. The Slim, on the other hand, can only lift its mop pads, making it more suitable for homes with hard floors and fewer carpets. Both the Edge and Slim are designed for long-term convenience, automatically emptying their bins into the docking station after each cleaning run. The Edge has a slightly larger dust bin, 325 milliliters, compared to the Slim's 220 milliliters, meaning it can handle a bit more before returning to the dock. But here's the cool part. Both models use the multifunctional dock 3.0, which not only empties the bins, but also washes the mopping pads at 75 degrees Celsius. The dock has a built-in scrubber to make sure there's no leftover dirt inside, keeping things hygienic between runs. This kind of automation means you're not constantly cleaning your cleaner, which is exactly what we all want, right? Let's talk endurance. The Edge boasts 240 minutes of runtime, while the Slim tops out at 180 minutes. If you live in a big house, that extra hour might be a lifesaver, but if you're working with a smaller apartment or house, both models should have no trouble finishing their job on a single charge. Either way, they both recharge automatically and pick up where they left off if they need to stop mid-clean for a battery boost. Both models come with Rocky Roboo built-in voice assistant, which allows you to issue voice commands without pulling out your phone. Plus, there's a fun feature for pet lovers. Both vacuums can snap photos of your pets as they clean and send them to your phone. It's not a deal breaker, but hey, who doesn't like random pet photos popping up throughout the day? Both the QRevo Edge and QRevo Slim bring Ruro's latest tech to your floors, but they're designed for slightly different tasks. The Edge excels with raw suction power, advanced obstacle handling, and a tangle-free brush system, making it perfect for households with carpets and pets. The Slim, on the other hand, focuses on compactness and navigation, slipping under low furniture with ease and boasting impressive 3D object detection. No matter which one fits your lifestyle, both models promise a premium cleaning experience with all the bells and whistles you'd expect from Roborock. So whether it's lifting carpets or dodging pets, these bots are up for the challenge.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.